Just imagine what you can build with high-performance storage that scales without compromise. Amazon EBS delivers the performance, durability, and agility your applications demand. GP3 volumes offer the flexibility to provision performance independent of storage capacity. Now, with the latest enhancements, you get more capacity, higher performance, and greater speed. The new GP3 consolidates volumes so you can scale cost-effectively. For performance-sensitive workloads, IO2 Block Express volumes deliver even faster performance with consistent ultra-low latency, 5 nines durability, and are available globally across all AWS regions. Accelerate time to productivity. Use volume clones to create point-in-time copies of EBS volumes from production environments for development, testing, and troubleshooting. No need to wait for full snapshot restores. Volume clones are ready to go. For fast disaster recovery and rapid EC2 instance launches. Provisioned rate for volume initialization helps you create EBS volumes with speed and predictability. And with time-based snapshot copy, you can define a precise duration for copying snapshots or AMIs across regions or accounts, meeting recovery objectives and distributing test data with consistency. Whether you're scaling databases, optimizing compute, or building resilient environments, Amazon EBS provides the storage foundation to move fast and operate securely at scale. Get started today